Hello and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. For the first time in American history, we risk missing out on payments. Put another way, there isn't enough money to pay all of our bills. It is widely understood that this would cause economic and financial chaos. Alright, let's get started straight away. 8.3% decrease in XRP. However, bullish divergence is on the horizon. This 100 Eyes tweet also shows the bullish divergence. Warning! Crypto scanner is active. The hourly RSI for XRP must is showing bullish divergence. The chart visually depicts this. The fact that the price of XRP has found a low bottom is contributing to this bullish divergence. The Relative Strength Index RSI, a gauge of momentum, however, displays a higher low. This divergence may signal that selling pressure is letting up and a trend reversal is on the horizon. Check this out. Experts forecast a $10 or $27 increase in XRP value if the current bullish trend continues. We have previously had this conversation with Egret Crypto, describing two possible avenues for long-term growth, and the timeline is below. Both the white symmetrical triangle and the blue ascending triangle are available to you. A stunning tetrahedron. Equal-sided isosceles triangle. Isosceles is a fantastic name. Isosceles is a name I'd consider using if I were to have a child. Kramer isosceles. If the price of XRP follows the blue ascending triangle pattern, as predicted by the UDRAG study, it might hit $10 within the next 2 years. Meanwhile, if XRP goes with the white symmetrical triangle, it might see a price of $27 by 2025. Making a transition. As of right now, Dubai is where all the Bitcoin industry's top players congregate for the annual FinTech Summit. And the UAE has already started using Twitter to make major comments, thanks to the efforts of badass Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple's expansion is centered in Dubai. Given that 20% of our customer base is based in the Middle East and North Africa and that clear regulatory regimes are being developed, it is not surprised that Dubai is developing as a big global financial hub for the flourishing of crypto innovation. Brad continues his thoughts here. That's the case in my experience as a native-born American and the founder of a company headquartered in the United States. I'm sorry to hear that. This makes me sad. As if the United States were making major strides forward. The difficulty arises from the fact that the country in question is one in which, in my judgment, politics has taken precedence over policy. And that's a bad bet if you're hoping to build wealth through the market. The United States is in a bind and needs to involve the SEC. By the time the dust settles, we will have spent $200 billion fending off a case that raised eyebrows from the moment it was filed. This is the first time I've mentioned it to anyone in the media. Of course, Ripple isn't the only thriving business expanding in Dubai and the UAE. The United Arab Emirates UAE has my respect for its commitment to crypto regulation. In Dubai, they're spreading out a comprehensive set of regulations. Even a cryptocurrency regulator, DVARA, has been established. And I think they should be given a lot of credit for adopting a progressive business approach, embracing cutting-edge technology, and implementing transparent rules to protect customers. Therefore, we find that quite appealing. Business to come here and invest. BitBoy isn't the only one trying to piece together the timing of the story's releases with the latest run-in between Stu and Paul and Uncle Brian's departure for Dubai. Ripple has made an official partnership with the local government. In addition, Ripple and XRP are perennially popular conversation starters. Here we have another who isn't the SEC. Current hot topic, whether or not XRP should be centralized. Also, check out this tweet by controversial figure Justin Bonds. Ripple executives incorrectly claim that XRP is permissionless and decentralized. This thread ultimately proves that the founding nation is de facto in control of the entire network. They argue that XRP outperforms BTC and ETH in terms of decentralization. However, the smoking gun is that XRP relies on the unique node lists to reach consensus. Nodes not included here are not to be trusted and will not participate, as stated. Census. A centralized party, such as the Foundation, publishes a list of trusted nodes. As a result of Bond's naivete, several others, including Ripple's Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz, have spoken out against and deny his false assertions in tweets. The response from crypto engineer Matt Hamilton, though, is something I can get behind. As of late, Ripple has gained widespread adoption. It appears that the exploit is being utilized more frequently now. As a result of its widespread use, the exploit was developed and quickly gained notoriety. The fact that it exists disproves Justin Bond's claim. Alright, here we go again with another XRP detractor. The creator of Cardano has recently claimed that members of the XRP community hate and make fun of him. The host is one who will gladly hold a pity party for themselves. The tweets of Mr. Huber were the impetus for this. It is ludicrous to think that Heinemann's speech on Ethereum was without bias. Charles Hoskinson claims that it's the same basic story. We argue that this is absurd because it is common practice for the asset with the most influential sponsors to have preferential treatment. Hoskinson declared. Just what do you mean? And I said, the concept that the entire FCC is unified against Ripple by bribes from Ethereum insiders is a scheme. When pushed harder, Chuck gave it his all, and given the recent attacks on Coinbase, Kraken, Bittrex, Tron, and many other platforms, this seems more true than ever. Yes, I did just say that. This has been my claim from the beginning. Those involved with XRP have manufactured a wholly falsehood. Now they hate and make fun of me. What I mentioned at the outset still holds true. There is no further discussion of this matter. After this, LimeWire is considering including XRP for a token sale. LimeWire tweeted over the weekend, polling the Ripple community on whether or not they believed we should accept XRP in our token's ongoing public auction. As soon as we reach 300 retweets, tomorrow will be go time for our platform. At long last, there is proof of XRP, with more than 300 retweets to back it up. Is this also accepted as payment for the recently launched LimeWire token presale? Take a look at these tweets about Conan's wrath. The XRP consensus is analyzed in depth in an April report by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. The African Blockchain Report 2022 is also worth your time. Ripple was given an entire page of the report that included a map of the African countries where it has a presence and a breakdown of which countries employ on-demand liquidity. It's all over today.